Tanner was standing.
Just I feel like let it the other way better.
Ah.
Let's try it this way. How about that? But if you can learn how to relax.
Ah. Oh, sorry.
One of the most important things that y'all guys need to do when you take batting practice is have a guy that can pitch or a girl that can pitch. My wife usually pitches to me for the last 12 years, but today she had a little trouble finding the plate. And it's just frustrating for me to get up there and hack at just anything. At the end of my video, you can actually see that I'm just hacking at anything just to get some swings in, but what that does is it screws your swing up actually. So find somebody that a good pitcher, find a good pitcher out there that pitches strikes and not somebody that just can't find the plate or just can't reach the plate or whatever. And don't give the wife a stink eye if she's not throwing strikes, because that's not a good thing either.